Vince Salvatore, Peace Dojo, 195 South Wells Avenue. Hope you're doing well today. Why? Why? Very powerful question. Why? Why would you come to a class that we do? Why? Anything that you study, why? Know why. Know why. So for example, in the movement class, it's good to know why we move the way we do. Most of the movements are to reduce violence, are to make you powerful, but at the same time, not dominating somebody else. The survival challenge. Most human behavior is based on that. If you look at Maslow's hierarchy of needs, right? Why? When you understand that, you can transcend a lot of the craziness that happens. Sometimes people get caught up in trivial conflict for ridiculous reasons. Why? Know your why. Conflict transformation. Know why. There are different ways to relate to conflict. There's results, there's resolutions, and there's revelations. We're after revelations, where you open up as a person. Know your why. Know why you're doing it. And the martial art of abundant peace. The founder of Aikido, he changed his name to Morihei. It means abundant peace. Why? Why are there ambulances going by now? Why? Somebody got into something. Hopefully everybody's healthy and fine. But anyway, why? Why? When you're training in that martial art of abundant peace, why is it called that? Why do we move a certain way? There's a reason why. And part of the why is discovery. To learn about yourself, to learn in relationship to other people and one of the most difficult things for humans is dealing with conflict. A lot of times people avoid it. This video is getting too long. Know why. Know why. We'll show you why anytime you come to one of our classes, and we'd love to see you down here. Thank you.